Hey mates, welcome back to Boss Around a Bot. Today, we're diving into how to craft the perfect AI prompts for learning a new language. So, let's get into it. First up, specify the language you want to learn. For example, I want to learn Spanish. Next, tell the bot your current proficiency level. Are you a complete beginner, or do you know a bit already? Then, let the bot know your learning goals. Want to chat with locals on your next holiday? Or maybe you want to read a foreign novel. Let the bot know. Got a preferred learning style? Whether it's interactive exercises or video lessons, include it in your prompt. And don't forget your time commitment. For example, I can dedicate 30 minutes each day to learning Spanish. If you have any specific requests, pop them in. Please include cultural notes and real-life conversation examples in the learning plan. And there you have it. A complete prompt might look like this. Once you've got your plan, you can ask your bot for detailed lessons. For example, generate a beginner's Spanish lesson focusing on basic greetings and introductions. Or, create a 30-minute interactive exercise for Spanish verb conjugation. And that's how you boss around an AI bot to learn a new language. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.